Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. I'm very so excited. I am super excited today because we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max silicone case in Pistachio. When I saw this at the Apple store, I was really blown away with the color, and I am not a fan of green. This green is just, I don't know, it's just making me feel so excited about summer. That's why I bought it and I can't wait to share it to you guys. Going to unbox it today and show it to you guys. I'm wearing this band actually from Amazon. This top also from Forever 21. I love it so much. So without further ado, here is the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max silicone case in Pistachio. So here is the bag. I know it doesn't make sense to grab a bag, but I just feel like you'll have the full experience with your purchase, Apple purchase, if you have the Apple bag. Though I only have one item here, and of course it is the Pistachio iPhone 12 Pro Max silicone case. Ooh. Oh my gosh, the color, guys. It's so beautiful. You'll see the name right in here, Pistachio. Plastic. Oh, it's so soft. Where's the paperwork? Oh, there's no paperwork. This is also a natural lighting. And I think this band here that I got from Amazon looks like the Pistachio silicone case here from Apple. Yay! You don't have to buy the expensive band from Apple. There's the inside. Super soft inside with the microfiber lining. There's the bump. So you don't have to worry about your camera being scratched. And then the bottom has a cover, which is super cool. That's the top. I really love the color. So let's try this on our phone here. That's my current wallpaper. Just plain green color with a cute elephant nose. So cute. Yeah, I love. Again, right in here, I can't feel the Apple logo. And again, the camera right here. If you don't have a camera protector, you'll be fine because this is really high right here for your camera protection. The bottom is covered, and the sides right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I bought this, and I'm gonna check it if this is from the 12 pack bands that I bought on Amazon. I'm loving it. just by the look of it, you're still not sure about it. To describe to you what pistachio color is, not as bright as lime, nor as drab as olive or blue as seafoam. Pistachio is a soft, muted shade of green in the realm of sage, honeydew, warm mint, and light moss. A soft, muted shade of green. My wallpaper here, I will be linking it down also in the description box if you're interested. I hope this video helped you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!